I think the problem is that most of the research on automation and all of the news buzz is on businesses and productivity, and the social aspects in terms of the environment, society as a whole, investing in humanities and social sciences. Nobody's really talking about these things. So what I wanted to stress is more that we should also look at the effects of automation on society as a whole, and not just training people to be engineers and teaching kids robotics, but also training another generation of sociologists and philosophers to catch up and to be able to ask the big questions to guide the future. I think in history we've seen that automation has always helped, maybe not in the short term, but as soon as society adapts, we have never actually seen a net job loss. It's just that the kinds of jobs are changing. So I think, and of course Industrial Revolution, despite the destruction of the environment, it did create better health and better living conditions for everybody. The only question is whether this revolution right now is happening too fast for people to adapt so that we can get the positive aspects of it without losing as a whole.